Hi, today I'm gonna do some workout on my butt. It's gonna be easy, quick, and effective. Let's get it. First, we're gonna lay down. Bend your knee and open the foot a little bit. And lift your butt and put it down. Lift, put it down. Make sure your stomach's tight. And repeat this. Now sit down, and we're gonna face down like this, and elbows on the floor. Lift your one leg, up, down. Give it a little pulse, not too much. Alrighty, we're gonna do the other leg now. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Alright, little bit of stretching. Okay, back to the position. Now we're gonna give some pulse on the side way. 8 times on one leg and the other one. We're gonna keep repeating. Now we're gonna make a combination on the back, side, back, side. Try to feel the butt muscle. Let's do the other side. Almost there. Alright. Now spread your leg and pulse. The other side. Now let's do some stretching. Put your foot on the other knee and hold your leg like this. This feels really good. I can stay this forever. Alright, do the other leg as well. And just hold your leg like this and relax. Let's roll left and right a little bit. You know, after a long day, it's really hard to take care of myself. I'm trying. Thank you so much for working out with me. And you're my motivation. Thank you.